Looking for the best no-code automation tool? Let's compare N8N versus ActivePieces and see which one's better for you. One's focused on power and flexibility, the other is ultra simple, and that choice matters. N8N is a visual workflow builder with drag-and-drop nodes, powerful logic, custom code options, and tons of integrations. Great if you want flexibility, advanced automation, and self-hosting. ActivePieces also gives you no-code automation with easy builders and pre-made pieces that snap together fast. Perfect if you want simplicity and speed without a learning curve. So, if you want more control and deeper features, N8N wins. If you want quick, easy automation without complexity, ActivePieces wins. Which one fits your workflow style? Comment below and follow for more quick automation tool breakdowns.